gained a little ground on the sidecar frame. As you can see, I got my foot guard on and working on my axle. I got it clamped in there, and I'm probably going to try to run it around a little bit with it clamped in there, just to make sure that I have the position right. Got the seat bars on, so it's coming together. Won't be long, and I'm going to be putting it on the mini bike itself and giving it a test drive. So we'll see what it's like.